Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to do another review on the new OS that we have installed on MyGica ATV582. Today I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys what are the little differences and again how much it got better. Alright, so let's just grab our gyro remote. So today I'm going to use our MyGica RK300 remote in order to process this. So it is a gyro. You can see that I can move it around. Again, since we updated the OS on this, it got a little bit smoother, and again this new launcher, which is a 4K launcher, I will be showing you guys how smooth it is. Alright, so let's just get into it. So first you can see the applications are right here, and on the top you can see big writing says MyGica, and no, these are not folders like the other Android box providers that create it. And you can go under applications and you can see all the other apps that are installed already on this. I have installed a few more in order to do some benchmark testing and more. Alright, so let's just go again. First you can see the applications on the top. See the Wi-Fi icon is in the bottom. Again, this box is quad-core with a octa-core GPU. It gets it a lot smoother if you want to play games, or you want to go to Netflix HD, or you want to play your 4K videos. Again, let's just get to settings. First, you can click on the top, go to settings. You can see the Wi-Fi is right here, so if you want to set it up. If you have it under Ethernet, click here. If you want to set up your display, you can click on it. Directly takes you into inbox settings. But again, it's customized. You can see the background has changed. It is all nicely created. And you can go first on the network. So you can set up your network if it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next part is the display. You can set it up under detect already. You can see that I am on 1080p, but you can go right now and click it off. You can select here. So if you have a 4K TV, you can set it up here. So you can see that it will go to 4K, and it will go to 4K SMPTE, and it will take you there. If you go down, it will go to 4K 24 Hz, and it will go into 1080p. And if you drag it down, it will take you to 1080i or down and more down. So even if you have an older type of TV, you can connect it under HDMI 480i. Remember that you can connect this box to an older type of TVs. You can take advantage of it. Or if you have the latest one, which is 4K TV, you can connect this and get your best resolution out there. So if you go to advanced, Miracast is here. You can turn on remote control or you can turn it off and more. So if you go under other, you will have the model numbers right here. So you can see that it is QuadCore Enjoy TV box. It is running Android version 4.4.2. The build version is right underneath, and the kernel version is correct, which is 3.10.33. If you go under system updates, if there's any updates, you can click here and you can update it. Or if you want to go to old way of settings, select it here and it will come up. So you can go under old way to set up a lot of things. Now if you want to go into more settings, same place. If you want to manage your apps, you want to uninstall your apps, you can go here. You can set up your date and time, software update, in language. It's all going to be under settings, under main screen. But if you go under apps, you can go to X on the USB. I just hooked it up, and let's see how fast it will play for us. So here's the 1080p that I have filmed with my Samsung Galaxy S4, which take only up to 1080p quality. You can see that it says 1080p AAC and 2.0, and it is English, of course. And there's the date when I filmed this. Again, this is a little bit shaky, but again it shows the quality of how nice it takes the video. That's not it. If we close this and we go out and just try to go and play a 4K video, and let's just play that. So you can see how fast it started playing it for you, since it is from the USB. And you can see how nice it is and how smooth it is that when it's playing it. Again, this is 4K, so it will look a little bit better. But again, if you have a 4K TV, now you know that the XBMC is compatible to play it for you. So let's just close down and we will get out of XBMC. Alright, so first thing we're going to go is AnTuTu benchmark. Now this benchmark is one of the best. We're always using this on all our boxes just to see what we get. So I already run it and I got 23,000 out of this, which is a really good number. Usually I was expecting to get a little bit higher. With the older version, I was just getting 22. So with this one, I get about 1,000 more, which is really good. According to the other boxes, this is way better. So we will just get out of this screen. And the next one we will test is the CPU Z. Now with the CPU that it gives you a lot of accurate information. Something like you can see that the CPU is ARM Cortex A9, and again if you can see that it says core is 4 of them right there, and it is really accurate. It actually stops the ones that are not going to be used. So it is not something that all of them run at the same time. So you can see that core CPU 0 and the other ones are says stop, and it will change once it start running. At the bottom it says the CPU load is right here, and the GPU rendering is under 450 MP, which is really smooth and really nice. Let's just get out of this too. The next thing we're going to run is the lin pack. So let's run it. Usually with the other boxes I get about 155. You can see right now it says 155, but if you click it one more time to see what we get, did you see that it just jumped to over 200? Now I do recommend that you guys do have to upgrade to this new latest OS, which will make your box a lot better if you have the MyGica ATV582. So I hope you guys like my video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Vine, and other social networking places, and thank you.